So you want to learn how to tuft? Today I'm going to teach you exactly how to do that. So as everyone knows, you need a tufting gun. After that, you need some yarn, then you need some fabric, and then you need a frame, a projector, a marker, and carpet adhesive. Now to start the process, pull the fabric as tight as possible onto the frame. If you don't, it can lead to ripping your fabric, or it can really mess up the look of your rug. Once that is done, turn on your projector and find out the design that you want to create. Now that you have the design, start tracing. Now if it's a very colorful design, make sure that you label each part so you're not confused on where the colors go. On your frame, make sure that you have 2 loops to hold the yarn going through. Now all you have to do is poke the yarn through, grab them on each end, and there you go. Take this tool right here, and then you put it through the gun like so. Then I put the yarn through the loop at the top, and then I slide it all the way through, just like this. Now that you have the gun ready, stick the gun into the fabric. Make sure that you are using the right amount of tension. Now once you press the button, make sure that you start going in the direction that you want to go in. Now for this example, I'm going to do a straight line up. Now that you are completely finished with tufting your rug, you're really going to want to glue it. You don't want to create a rug and have it completely fall apart on you. Or a customer, that'd be even worse. So I recommend getting Robert's 3000 multi-purpose adhesive. Every single item I use in this video is linked below. When you're gluing, make sure it's spread evenly, don't leave it clumpy. After the very long 48 hours is done, cut the excess fabric. I hot glue all of my edges. This process also helps with that rounded edge, which is also called the waterfall effect. Spray along all of the project and put the backing on. Now once again, I use a completely different glue for this process. I use multi-purpose adhesive Super 77 glue. Once again, linked in the description. Once the backing is completed, I will then shave the rug. Now when it comes to shaving, you can shave details into the rug before or after the rug is complete. Now you can buy a regular shear without the guide and still come out with an even shave. Me personally, I haven't been able to do that, so I have a guide on top of a guide that I created. If you guys haven't watched that video, make sure you watch it. So now that the rug is complete and details are shaved, you have finally completed the rug. Congratulations guys. I really do hope that this video helped you out, and if it did, please subscribe to my channel. If not, I'm gonna have to have my cat pee on your rug. Anyways, I will see you guys next time. Peace. I'm the realest one. I talk to no girls, yeah, but I'm feeling one. Get up in her too. I'm a healing one. You won't give me your heart. I guess I'm stealing one. Yeah, back when I told you that you were the one, I still mean it now. You just being you.